Assalamu alaikum. I'm engineer Hamna Shakil, and in this video I'm going to show you how to extract these results from the stress strain data. So the first thing that we need to extract is yield strength, and this is the point where the yielding is occurring. We cannot directly use this graph to find the yield point because there are so many points on this data, and you cannot accurately select one data point that will give you the yield point. But we do get an approximate value. In this case, you can see that it's 63.2988. If you want the exact value, you can visually observe the stress. One of the easiest method is to visually observe the stress data or the stress column. So here in the stress column, you can go downwards and you can see the stress is increasing. See, it's 42.77 here. If you go down, it's increasing. So here you have 63.83, and after that it reduces to 63.81, and then it reduces a little again, and you can see that it's now moving up and down, like it's reducing, it's increasing, it's again reducing. So this maximum point 63.831, this is our yield point, and this is in row number 242. So we are going to go on the top in our result table. I'm going to click on equal to. The stress data is in D, so I'm going to write D, and the row was 242, so I'm going to write D 242, and it's going to give me the yield strength. And for strain percentage is in F column, so I'm going to write F, and I'm going to write 242, and I'm going to press enter. So it's going to give me the strain percentage. For ultimate strength is the maximum strength, so I'm going to click on equal to, and I'm going to use the Excel formula of max, and I'm going to select the whole stress column, and I'm going to press enter, and you can see here that the maximum strength or the ultimate strength is 97.83. Now I want to find the corresponding value of strain for the ultimate strength. So here I'm going to use the formula of Excel, that is V lookup. I want to look up this value of ultimate strain, and I want it to be looked up in this data. So I've selected this whole data. So this will be my column number 1, this will be column number 2, and this will be column number 3. So I want my strain data from column number 3. So I'm going to write here 3. And now you have to select true or false. True is for approximate match, and false is for exact match. So I'm going to write here false and press enter. So here you can see that 11.72% is the corresponding strain percent for the ultimate strength. To find tensile to yield strength, write the formula equal to the ultimate strength divided by the yield strength. Press enter. So it's around 1.5. Fracture strength is the point where your graph is ending, your plot is ending. This is where the steel breaks. So I'm going to press equal to and select the last data point, that is this one. Press enter. So it's 82 ksi, and for percentage elongation, select the last data point of strain percent data and press on enter. One more thing that I want to do with this result table, I'm going to select the values, go to format cell, and I'm going to select the format as number, and I'm going to set it to 2 decimal places and click on OK. I will find the modulus of elasticity, modulus of resilience, and modulus of toughness in the coming video.